Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.
What is Fourier transforms involving exponential function? The exponential function is denoted as exponentials of minus a into t into u of t. Given x of t is equal to exponential of minus a into t into u of t, where u of t equals to 1 for t greater than or equal to 0, u of t equals to 0 for t less than 0. Then x of omega equals to integral minus infinity to infinity of x of t into exponential of minus j into omega into t into dt equals to integral minus infinity to infinity of exponential of minus a into t into u of t into exponential of minus j into omega into t into dt, which is equal to integral 0 to infinity of exponential minus a into t into exponential of minus j into omega into t into dt, integral 0 to infinity of exponential minus of a plus j into omega into t into dt, exponentials of minus of a plus j into omega into t by minus of a plus j into omega for limit 0 to infinity, equal to exponentials of minus infinity minus exponentials of 0 by minus of a plus j into omega. 0 minus 1 by minus of a plus j into omega equals to 1 by a plus j into omega. Therefore, f of exponential of minus a into t into u of t equals to 1 by a plus j into omega.
Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.